Welcome to another episode of Tech Simplified, where we dive into the exciting advancements in technology that shape our everyday lives. Today, we're exploring a fascinating piece of software called go-haystack. This innovative tool lets you track pursuit devices using Apple's extensive Find My network. Let's unpack this a little. So picture this. You've accidentally left your favorite Bluetooth earbuds at a coffee shop. Oh, what if you could easily find them using the same network that tracks lost Apple devices? Well, that's where go-haystack comes in. It combines the OpenHaystack project with something called Macless-Haystack to create a custom tracking network. Neat, right? Now you might be wondering, how does it work? Essentially, go-haystack supports a range of beacon hardware. Think about devices like the Adafruit Bluefruit boards or even a Raspberry Pi. If you've got Bluetooth hardware lying around, this could be a fun project. To give you a sense of setup, developers writing with TinyGo, an incredibly efficient version of Go designed for small devices, can leverage this software to turn their devices into tracking beacons. Just imagine flipping on this tech and having your device show up on the map of your local cafe, all while sipping your latte. That's pretty cool. Now let's talk technical for a moment. Setting this all up requires an Apple ID with two-factor authentication enabled. Sounds a bit tedious, right? But don't worry, the process is quite straightforward. You create a Docker network and run a few commands to start the service. If you want to personalize your experience, you can even name your devices, upload configurations, and watch as they begin to appear on your network over time. By the way, while I'm throwing tech terms at you, don't let them overwhelm you. This is aimed for enthusiasts and DIYers, and the community around it is really thriving, oftentimes making complicated things accessible. So let's dig a bit deeper. Why might someone want to use go-haystack? Well, it goes beyond just tracking your earbuds. It's also about community and connectivity. Every time you leave your device in a public place, it's like casting a net into the ocean. And if another iPhone comes into range, boom, it's like a lighthouse guiding you back to your lost belongings. Now here's a thought. What happens when your device is in range of any iPhone? Interestingly, your lost device could potentially be tracked by the vast network that other Apple users contribute to. It's fascinating how interconnected we've become through tech. All right, before we wrap up, let's take a breather here. I hope you're getting a taste of how exciting this tech landscape is. Just imagine a world where you can easily recover your devices thanks to a community-driven effort, like a high-tech neighborhood watch. As we close, I invite you to think about it. If you could track any Bluetooth-enabled device, what would be the first thing you'd want to find? So thanks for tuning in to today's episode of Tech Simplified. We hope this has inspired you to explore go-haystack, or maybe even start your own tracking project. Until next time, keep embracing technology and all the amazing potential it holds.